Turing pa rin po bang aftershock yun or panibagong quake
Um,
po ba yun? Or part of the
yung
main
kanina,
quake? Go ahead, sir.
hindi pa, it's not an aftershock, it's a different event. Iba din yung source noon, yung June 8 was the Cotabato Trench. Yung kanina, magnitude 6.2, was generated by the Philippine Trench. So magkaiba po yan, and it's 250 kilometers away from, yung epicenters ng dalawa is 250 kilometers yung distance. So
Oh,
hindi po sila
it's not
connected.
it's not an aftershock. It's a separate earthquake pala.
That's right, it's separate earthquake generated by the Philippine Trench.
Now, what explains the rather frequent earthquakes down south?
Well, siguro malalakas lang ngayon, but the Philippines is located along the boundaries of several tectonic plates, and meron tayong numerous active faults and trenches. So because of this tectonic setting, earthquakes regularly occur throughout the country, and nagkataon lang na in a span of 1 week, meron tayong malalaking lindol in southern Philippines.